I am Pakistani and watching Mr. Pakistan. I will teach you how to make a time plot, digital time plot. Basically, you may know if you go outside, if you are right now modern days, we need a digital clock, time plot because everything is coming digital. If we do market to buy digital clock, it is quite expensive. So why not make own my own clock using Arduino a cheap way? So this is my Arduino digital clock based on RTC DS3131 RTC module which contain a cell CR2030 cell which can hold 3 volt battery which can hold the time period if accidentally power outage. This entire system is stuck off power outage. In order to power outage, it will save the battery backup time interval, so it will then save the 3 to 4 years continuously run with the CL 2030 cell 32 cell. It will run with this clock, and you can all the time if you want set this time. And there is Arduino which is Arduino connected to this power bank via cable RTC DS3031 5 volts to 5 volt Arduino ground to ground, SDA to SDA, SCL to SDL of Arduino and this, and display liquid crystalline display 5 volt ground to ground, SCL LCD SDA is connected to analog 4, LCD SCL is to analog 5. Now you can see this is showing time, real time. Let me wait for 14th. Real time plot 17, 16, 17, 37, 2021, 11. You might be not seeing camera, but it shows our time. So this is our digital time plot. You can use this suitable case. Use a suitable case. You can put this thing into a case. You can see it shows the time 10:53, 52 seconds, 2011. Today date is now if 22:11 date is today. Now if remove the power table just for testing and re-plug in. And you can see it will show the time. So if meaning it will work up to 4 years until the CR3012 cells not ending expired. It will save the time backup mode, so you can use it in power outage. It will not remove the quality last time or last date. And if you like, you can also add alarm itself for alarm clock, but I cannot add alarm right now. We can explain affected. Arduino 5 volts, 5 volts or ground goes to the LCD. Arduino 5 volt ground also goes to the, we have to do a 5 volt or ground of RTC real time clock module. SDA SCL Arduino is connected to the SDA SCL of RTC module. Display LCD liquid LCD SDA is analog 4, SCL is analog 5, and this LCD use I2C back in the back. You can put this thing into in plastic or employer and plastic box, and you can use as with Arduino Nano. Instead use Arduino Uno and made a compatible portable one, and you can use in anywhere in outside because it is need 5 volt for powering. It will work with any cell power bank or any small little battery which can supply 5 volt maximum that we need ampere need 1000 milliamp or 1 amps. It will be enough to drive this in about 1 year with single charge. And this video is anyway time. Next video I soon. By the way, I later explain a thought. Pause. Now explain the thought of the RTC real-time plot digital clock project. Include liquid crystal dot H library for liquid crystal display. Include wire dot H library for I2C computation. Include liquid crystal dot I2C dot H for liquid crystal display. Define liquid crystal I2C LCD 0 into 27 16 into 2 addresses. The defined ds3031 I2C RTC address 60 0 into 68 byte dot to BCD byte variable byte BCD to DEC byte val return val 10 16 plus val mean variables plus val %10. This page two times wide set ds3231 time bits setting bits minute bits or bits day of week bytes wire within transmission wire wide 0 wire wide DCTO BCD setting wire wide. This is setting for settings. Wire wide DECTO BCD minute set minute. Wire wide DECTO BCD or set or wire wide DCTO BCD day of week set. This is for set of week. Wire wide DECTO BCD day of month. This is for setting the month. Wire wide DCTO BCD month setting from month. And lastly, wire wide DCTO BCD year set year. This is set for year 0 to 99 wire and transmission wide read ds3 to 31 time bits setting bits minute bits or bits day of week bits day of month bits month bits year. And wire wide transmission ds3 to 31 RTC addresses wire wide 0 set the wire and transmission wire requested from ds3 to 31 addresses set BCD wire read 0 into 7F minute BCD to DC wire read or equals BCD to DC wire wide 0 3 digital of width equals BCD to DCE wire read day of month equals BCD to DEC wire read month BCD to DEC wire read year equals BCD to DEC wire read int backlight pin 3. So right now it is
This setting is also allowed to attach a separately backlight to which is then adjusted by brightness using analog white feature function or PWM feature. So this is my digital display is on built backlight, so we do not need this pin 3. White setup wire between 9066 to I260 limitation. LCD backlight, LCD in pin mode backlight pin output, analog white backlight pin 50. So it also to also says for external backlight control. So it means there are this pin will only be used external backlight pin, which is 3 pin, is used for adjusting the brightness externally, but this is fixed in my display, so we not need external backlight or display. White loop LCD clear bit setting minutes or day of weeks, day of month, year, months, years. Read ds3031 time setting and time and setting and mint or and day of weeks, day of months and years. Read LCD print real time plot. Here you put your name and any other thing like digital plot and something other. Set LCD set cursor 001 if less than greater than 10, 0.0 LCD print hours. So this print in hours. LCD print dot if minutes less greater than 10, LCD print 0, LCD print in print minute, LCD print dot if setting less greater than 10, LCD print 0, LCD print settings and LCD print dot and if 10 if day of month less greater than 10, LCD print 0, LCD print day of month, LCD print dot if month less greater than 10, LCD print 0, LCD print month delay 1000 millisecond for after then repeat this process again. This entire process repeat again. And now this code is end with next video as pause.